Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix photos are not syncing to cloud and Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57, you're facing the issue that your Samsung photos are not syncing to cloud. So let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing you can try to keep a long press on your Galaxy app, click on this info button or eye icon here. Just scroll down, go to storage, and just try to clear cache. So once I've cleared cache, it will clear if there will be any temporary or junk files in your gallery app having issue with your backup. So this might be cleared in this step. So after doing this, you have to retry to check if the issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, just scroll on the control center, and here you have to make sure that you're connected to a strongest or a stable network connection like your Wi-Fi or cellular data. I recommend you how to use the Wi-Fi instead of cellular data. And once you have done, the issue might have been fixed and you have to retry if you're still getting the same issue. So go ahead to your settings app here, go to apps. Here you have to locate your cloud app. Let's say I'm using Samsung Cloud, so I'm gonna search for Samsung Cloud here. If you're using anything else like OneDrive or Google Drive or any other cloud app, so you can locate that here. Just click on the search option and just search for that app name. I'm gonna search for Samsung Cloud. Just click on it and just scroll down, go to storage, click on clear cache. Now once you have cleared cache of your cloud app, so it will also fix any error with your cloud app. So after doing this, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so just scroll down in control center, click on this power icon, click on restart, and just click on restart again to have a restart with your phone. So a simple restart might fix your software glitches or any technical errors. After doing this, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.